Okay, so as we are continuing with the chapter number 4, plants. So previously we have learned about flowering plant and non-flowering plant and small and big plants. So in the previous week you are done with the types of plants, small and big, and flowering and non-flowering plant. In the previous week, we have also learned about shrubs and herbs. Shrubs and herbs. So in previous week, we learned about shrubs and herbs, types of plants, flowering and non-flowering plant. Okay. So today we are going to learn about types of leaves and parts of plants. Types of leaves and parts of plants. Okay, so here you can see that this is the picture of seedling, the plant at initial stage of growth. Okay, the seed germination has just occurred. When there is a seed germination, then this small plant is being shown on the surface. So this is very small seedlings. Okay, so this one is the leaf and this one is the stem. Okay, here you can see that this is the diagram of parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. In this picture, you can see that here are the two divisions in the parts of plants, like shoot system and root system. Shoot system and root system. So they have just divided this plant into shoot system and root system. So here are the roots and there is the shoot. So above the surface of the soil, there is shoot system of the plant. Here you can see that under the shoot system, there are 4 parts of plants, like flower, flower, leaf, leaf, fruits, fruit, and stem. Okay, students. So in the shoot system, there are 4 parts of plants: flowers, leaf, fruit, and stem. Okay. So what is in the root system? So in the root system, there are roots. In the root system, there are roots. Okay. So in the shoot system, there are 4 parts of plants, and in the root system, there is roots of the plant. So now we are going to learn what are the functions of these parts of plants. Like first one is flower. So what flower does? It helps in reproduction. It helps in reproduction. So before the flower, there is bud. We have learned in the textbook that before the flower, there is bud. Okay, the closed flower is called bud. Next one is leaf. So what leaf does? Leaf makes food for the plant. Leaf makes food for the plant. So how it makes food? Through photosynthesis. Through photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the process that is involved to make food. Okay. The next one is fruit. So what fruit does? Fruit protects the seed. Do you know that inside the fruits there are seeds? Like apple, inside the apple there are seeds. Inside the mango there is a seed. So what the fruit does? Fruit protects the seed. Okay. Next one is stem. What stem does? Stem do the support to the parts of plant. stem provides support to the parts of plant. So you can see that in the center there is a stem. Okay, so what stem does? Stem is providing support to the plant. Okay, without stem, if the stem is weak, the plant is unable to withstand the harsh conditions like windy weather or something else. Okay, so what is the function of stem? Stem provides support to the plant. Okay, and what is the other function of stem we have studied in the textbook? Other function is it provides food and water to the parts of plant. It also provides the food and water to the other parts of plant. Okay, the stem also carries the water and food from the roots, and it's provide the food and the water to other parts of plant. Okay, so you can see here there are the leaves, and leaves make food. So food is get stored here on the leaves. So how the other parts of plant can get food? The stem is a main carrier of food from here. So what is the function of stem? It also provides food and water to other plant parts of plant. Okay, now here you can see that there are roots. So what is the function of root? Root uptakes or absorbs the water and minerals from the soil. जो मट्टी में जितने minerals and water होता है, ये roots उनको absorb कर लेती हैं. ठीक है, और फिर क्या करती हैं? ये प्रोवाइड करती हैं इस वाटर और मिनरल्स को टू दी स्टेम, और फिर स्टेम क्या करेगी? इन सब वाटर एंड मिनरल्स को अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देगी. ओके, नाउ वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स लीफ सेक्शन. So here you can see leaves from different kinds of trees. So you can see there are a variety of shapes of leaves. Okay, so you can see here there is a different shape of the leaf. Here is the shape of the leaf is different. Here you can see they are long leaves. Here you can see they are wider leaves. Okay, here you can see that the edges of the leaves are sharp. Okay, here is also the same case, and this leaf is very different from others. So you can see that there are variety of the leaves on the different trees. Okay, it depends upon the kinds of trees. Now here you can see that they have just divided the types of leaves into simple and compound leaves. Simple and compound leaves. Okay, the simple leaves are single undivided leaves. Single undivided leaf. Here you can see that there is a simple leaf. So on the first branch, on one branch there will be only one leaf. You will see that there is only one leaf on the branch. Here is a branch, and you can see that there is only one leaf on the branch. Okay, while in the compound leaves, the leaflet, multiple leaflets are attached at the stem. So here you can see that there is a stem, and on the branch there are the number of leaflets attached. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here are 11 leaves are attached on the branch of stem. On one branch of stem there are 11 leaves. So there are multiple leaves. So these are not simple leaves, these are compound leaves. These are compound leaves. Okay, here they have just divided the leaves into the two types: pinnately compounds and palmately compounds. Okay, so here is the name palmately compound. So palm is all about the palm tree. Okay, so on the palm tree there is a shape. These leaves are in the shape of palm tree. Okay, so that's why they have named it palmately compound. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? here the feathers like arrangement of the leaflets from the wind. So here you can see there's a feather like arrangement, like जैसे परिंदों के पर होते हैं ऐसे ही इनकी arrangement होती है, like center में एक stem है, okay, and then the one by one leaf are attached, okay. But here is the different case. What is the case? On one point all the leaves are attached, सेंटर में एक कॉमन पॉइंट है और उसके साथ ही 5 लीव्स अटैच्ड हैं यहाँ पे, ओके. सो देयर इज द डिफरेंस, like on the pinnately compound leaves are attached one by one, but in the palmately compounds the number of leaves are attached on the common point, on the single point, okay. Now here is your written task. You have to draw and label the different parts of plants on the loose sheet. So just you have to draw this diagram and then you will label the parts of plant like flower, leaf, fruit, stem, and root. You will not write the function of plant, okay students. You are not supposed to write the function, you are just supposed to write the पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट. आपने जो बोल्ड हुआ हुआ सेक्शन है सिर्फ वही लिखना है, ठीक है. दिस इज योर टास्क. And what else you have to do? You have to write down the spellings. You have to learn the vocabulary like simple, compound, lamina, and fruit. This is the vocabulary words for the whole week. एक single day के लिए नहीं है बेटे. You can do this work. You have 5 days to do this, okay? And you will submit your next assignment on the next Friday. And those who are unable to submit their assignments on the portal, they can submit in this week. There is no issue. You can submit the week 1 assignment in the coming days on today, okay? जिनकी असाइनमेंट्स अपलोड नहीं हुई वो इन डेज में अपलोड कर सकते हैं. देयर इज नो इशू, ओके. यू विल बी गिवन अ मार्जिन ओवर इट. Okay students, now I have a video to show you.
Our topic for today is parts of a plant. A plant has many different parts that perform various functions. The two main parts of the plant are the root and shoot. Root usually grows under the ground